I'm using same project. Everybody define one bean class. Right click on the package. Go to new. Select a class. Choose the class name as address. House number. Street name. Develop setters and getters. House number, street name. Let's go for student class. Everybody, you know very well about developing a bean class. Student class. First name. Last name. String array. Email IDs. Array list. You need to import array list. Import array list through control space bar. List is equal to new array list. This new is not required. You can remove this. Go for address. We have used array collection array list. Then has the relation address. Let us get data to the student object through a JSON object. Develop setters and getters, you know very well. Source, getters and setters. Select all, generate. Come to the request body controller. Everybody try developing a RB3. I'm choosing method name as test3. Get the student. Get first name. student dot get last name, student dot get list. There is an array list. Try importing arrays. Everybody try importing arrays. Control spacebar arrays. There is a class with a name as arrays. You need to import this in order to print the content of string array. Get email IDs. I'm printing like this. Now get the address. Get house number. Get street name. Finally, return a student. Return type also student. Everybody, you need to import arrays class. I'm trying to print the array content in the same line. Guys, let me restart. Stop the application. Start the application. Give a request to RP3. It's a complex JSON object. Whenever you are developing a JSON object, take the student data. These are the attributes in the JSON object. First name, last name, email IDs. Array list is going with a list only. Address. Now, email IDs is an array. In case of JSON, array should be with a square bracket. Inside a JSON, array should be with a square bracket. Inside a square bracket, you have to supply. Very similarly, even array list also in the square bracket. Array list also. You can consider any list, maybe project names. Address. It is another JSON object. House number. Street name. this much content. Please observe completely how JSON object is composed. Copy this, go to the ARC, RB3. Come on. Comma is missing. Every field should be separated with a comma. Click on send. You can see data in the console. I've taken the previous values. Let's go for first name as Vijay, last name also Vijay. Click answer. Post is very important but very simple compared to other two approaches. Very simple. You can see. Let me clear the console. Let us resubmit.
Hello, sir.
Comma is separated.
Hello.
Click on send. Check in the bottom. You can also check in the console. You can skip any field. We have seen all three operations. Come on. All three operations we have seen. Input as a path, input as a request param, input as a request body. In the next section, we will see some other.
Hello, sir. Hello.
We'll see the file upload in the next section.